Welcome to the Nomadix MDU portal product demo. Nomadix serves all types of multi-tenant properties, including apartments and condos, student communities, military housing, senior and assistant living, co-working and shared office spaces, shopping centers, and mixed-use properties. Today's residents depend on quality Wi-Fi to stream shows, work, study, and more. Wi-Fi ranks as a top amenity requirement, yet of the more than 30% of U.S. residents who live in apartments and multifamily units, 50% report experiencing network issues. How can property owners address and capitalize on this opportunity? Nomadix MDU portal creates reliable, secure managed Wi-Fi for multifamily communities. It increases net operating income, improves overall property values, and boosts residential retention. Let's look at the benefits. We offer residents day one instant access to their private networks. They gain secure and quality connectivity within their units and across the property. After logging into the Wi-Fi portal, residents can view detailed setup and management instructions, all connected devices, bandwidth subscription details, and Wi-Fi network settings. They also have a QR code for guests to avoid sharing their password. We offer property managers streamlined operations by scheduling all incoming and outgoing residents with their managed Wi-Fi activation and deactivation in advance, when leases are signed and when they are not renewed. When the property manager logs in, they can easily manage the resident subscribers. We make it simple to add groups of new residents simultaneously with our batch subscription feature. Adding or removing residents can also be done individually as needed. Additionally, the portal can be branded to the property. The MDU portal can be set up to collect subscription payments on behalf of operators who don't have this capability in-house. PMS integrations are available with RealPage and Entrata. More options coming soon. By implementing the Nomadix MDU portal, property owners add recurring revenue, increasing property values. They also boost satisfaction and rental retention by offering quality, high-speed connectivity. Nomadix MDU portal is available globally in any of the current 150 countries we serve. Our authorized MSPs can deploy the managed Wi-Fi solution and be your technical boots on the ground, so no in-house technical staff is required. Nomadix. We are your single source provider of both cloud software and high-speed Wi-Fi infrastructure for the MDU market. Let us help you bring connected experiences to life.